Hey guys, I wanted to highlight our first stop in the Salton Sea area. We are coming around the west side, the west shore, and we actually drove 400 miles to come bring you the Salton Sea tours. Probably going to be a half a dozen or more videos here. Speaking of videos, this was a video store. I can't imagine, why would somebody strip all the sheetrock out of a building? Half the studs are gone. I always like this architecture with this rock. You see it everywhere. Anyways, guys, this is this is the entrance to the Salton Sea. I can't get in here being as the chain is on the building. I see some restaurant equipment in there, so maybe it serves some kind of food. It says liquors. Here's Felix's Auto Repair here. Let's go around the back, just on the outside chance. Now look up here. I'd say there was living quarters up top there. It's just amazing. There's no windows left in the entire building. That guys see in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, that's the Salton Sea. And we are going to drive around that. We have no idea how many miles it is. We don't know if it's 50 or 150, but we're going to bring it to you guys. So if you're watching this video, this is the first of many for this spring of 2018 road trip Yoshi and I are on here. Probably not a lot to show you in this gas station, but let me walk to the front just on the outside chance that there's something open. But at late, this was Felix's Auto Repair, 24 hours. Yeah, it's all but bolted up. Yeah, not much to see, guys. There's the gas sign. I'm sure that was some kind of a national chain at some point. But we are on Vanderveer Road and Access Road. And like I said, this is the gateway to the Salton Sea. Thanks, guys, for being here. Nevada Arcade, out.